One adjustable comb gives me the length I need to get a short beard look. It's easy to select my preference from 20 length settings, ranging from 0.5 millimeters for short stubble to 10 millimeters for a full beard. When I'm done trimming, I can attach the precision trimmer and comb to neaten up my mustache. If I want to sharpen the edges of my beard, I just use the precision trimmer and touch up those details. To clean, I take off the cutting element and rinse it like this. If the chamber's getting full, I just tap out the hairs into the bin and brush out any that might get left behind.
My beard's a free spirit. It does its own thing.
My beard is a maturing, manly warrior. It's not totally full, it's on its way there.
I like to keep my beard trim, organized, and precise.
I like that there's no pulling and tugging. It's easy to use. Easy to use is the most important thing.
When my beard is looking fresh, on point, that's honestly when I feel the most authentic.